Welcome to How to Play Cutthroat Spades. To play, you will need a 52-card deck and 3 to 5 players. In a 4-player game, each player is dealt 13 cards, 1 card at a time. In a 3-player game, remove the 2 of clubs and deal 17 cards to each player. In a 5-player game, remove the 2 of clubs and the 2 of diamonds and deal 10 cards to each player. Cutthroat Spades is a trick-taking card game. A trick is created by each player playing a card into the middle. The player with the highest ranking card wins the trick. The cards are ranked with the aces being the highest down to the twos being the lowest. The spades suited cards are always the trump suit. That means any spade suited card will outrank a different suited card. Going back to the hands that were dealt earlier, I have flipped up each player's cards for you to see. In an actual game, you will keep your cards hidden from the other players. Before the gameplay begins, each player will make a bid. The players are bidding on how many tricks they think they will take in the round. The player left of the dealer is first to make a bid. Minnie bids 2, Donald bids 5, Daisy bids 1, and Mickey bids 4. The bids are recorded. The player left of the dealer will lead the first card to the first trick. Minnie leads the 4 of clubs. Play moves left to Donald. Players must play the card in the same suit that was led if possible. Donald follows suit by playing the 5 of clubs. Play moves to Daisy, who follows suit with the 9 of clubs. Play moves to Mickey, who follows suit with the ace of clubs. Mickey wins this trick with the highest ranking card in the lead suit. The player that wins the trick will lead the next trick. Mickey leads the next trick with the 3 of clubs. Players continue to take turns playing 2 tricks until all cards have been played. After the last trick is played, players will count the tricks taken during the round and compare them to the bids made. A player will get 10 points for each trick bid when successfully taking equal or more tricks than bid. For each extra trick taken, 1 point is scored. Minnie bid 2 tricks and took 3 tricks. Minnie gets 20 points for the 2 bid and an additional point for the extra trick taken. Donald scores 50 points for the 5 bid and the 5 tricks taken. Daisy scores 11 points for the 1 bid and 1 additional trick taken. If a player fails to take as many tricks as bid, they will lose 10 points for each trick bid. Mickey bid 4 tricks but only took 3. Mickey loses 40 points. The first player to an agreed upon score, such as 500, is the winner. Each time an extra trick is taken, the player gets a sandbag. If a player gets to 5 sandbags during the game, they will lose 50 points and their sandbag count is reset to 0. A trick is taken by the highest ranking spade-suited card. If no spade-suited card was played, the trick is won by the highest ranking card in the lead suit. If you enjoyed learning how to play Cutthroat Spades and you are curious about other games, our channel is your go-to spot for fun, easy-to-follow tutorials. Check out the collection of videos to find your next favorite game.